Hi, good evening dear friends. This is Kasimappa, Assistant Mathematics from SVEM School, Harinamarakam. Dear students, this is class 4, part 4 video for the 7th standard, second chapter, that is fractions and decimals. Dear students, already we have learned addition and subtractions of fractions, like fractions and unlike fractions we did did it. Okay, leave it here. In this class, suppose we know that yes, this is the circle. Yes, I can divide into four parts. Yes, I can divide into four parts. Here, how many parts are there? Four parts are there. Yes, four parts are there. Total how many parts? Four parts. Yes, total parts. If I shade this part, if I shade this like this, how many shaded parts are here? Out of four parts, how many shaded parts? Here only one. 1/4 indicates that one part is shaded out of four parts. Example 2. Yes, let us see next. Suppose another one circle is there. Okay. Yes, this also having same number of parts. Suppose here two parts are shaded. Two parts are shaded. Yes, two parts are shaded. Here, total how many parts are there, dear children? Total parts is four parts are there. Out of four parts, how many parts are shaded? Two parts are shaded. Yes. Here 2/4. What does that indicates? 2/4 indicates that two parts are shaded out of four parts. Let us see dears. One, this is two diagram, three diagram. Example, let us see. Yes, this is rectangular shaped. Yes, figure, rectangular shaped figure. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I want to make it further horizontal line. How many squares are there? Yes, here we know that. Suppose just to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal squares are there. If I shade, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then anyone. Suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, leave it. Here total how many parts or how many perfect squares are there? Yes. Here total how many parts are there? 8 equal parts. 8 equal squares are there or 8 equal parts there? You can think whatever it may be. That's left to you. Here out of 8 equal parts, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2. Yes, 2/8. 2/8 is shaded. If I shade any one another part, that is, yes, now how many parts are shaded? Yes, now 3 parts are shaded. How many parts are shaded? Yes, out of here total 8 parts are there now. 8 parts are there. Out of 8 parts, 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 parts are shaded. Like this, dear children, we can represent that. A given diagram. Total how many parts here? That is in the denominator part. Here total how many parts? How many equal parts are we are divided that like that? Total number of figures or number of squares or number of equal parts we are taking under the denominator part. Then shaded parts are especially what they are asking depending upon that question that we have to take in the part of numerator. Okay, dear children, I will move for the next content in my today class, that is multiplication of fractions by are only simple multiplications of fractions. This is very important, yes, and also this is very easy. Important topic with easy. Yes, see, second content in our today class, multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions. Dear children, here multiplication of fractions further for the purpose of our easy understanding, we can then also divide it as 2. Multiplication of fractions by whole number. Yes, first one I want to teach you. Yes, first one. Yes, first one is multiplication of fractions by whole numbers. Yes. Then dear children, here we should take first fractions. Yes. Suppose 2 by 3 into 3. Yes, according to your title, according to your headline, multiplication of fractions by whole numbers. Dear children, very simple, this will get cancelled. Yes, you can make simply. Yes, 3 1, this will get cancelled. 3 1 3 1, the answer is 2. There is no doubt at all, 2. Let us see in another way. I will show you. 2 by 3 into 3. Okay. 2 3s are 6 divided by 3. Now make it cancelled, yes. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Again we are getting 2. In our mathematics, in any method we have to solve. In any method, by using any method, if we solve that any problem, we are getting a same answer. That's why mathematics is universal truth that never lie. Okay, example 2 dears. Suppose 16 by 24 into 4. 16 by 24 into 4. Yes, make it cancel, yes. 4 1s are 4 6 are 24. 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24. Then yes, you will getting that. Further you can make cancel. Yes, this will be yes 2. Yes, 2 3s are 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Answer is how much we are getting, ma? 8 by 3 we are getting. In another method, see, let us, yes, 16 by 24 into 4. 16 4s are 64. 16 4s are 64. Let us see. 4 6 are 24. 2s carry for next number. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 6. 64 dears divided by 24. Then 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. Answer is, my dear children, that is 8 by 3. Yes, this is one type multiplication of fractions by whole numbers. Like this type we have to solve. Then second content is in this one, second topic, that is multiplication of fractions by fractions. By fractions. Yes, fractions. Yes, how can we solve that, sir? Yes, I will show you, dear friends. Don't worry about this. Let us see. Yes, now Here we have to take two fractions because our title is saying that multiplications of fractions by fractions is nothing but we have to take two fractions. Example first, 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. Make multiply 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Yes, 1 2s are, we have to multiply numerator to numerator, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Yes, 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Yes, further you can make it cancel yours. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are. Answer is 1 by 3. In another way, 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. Let us make it cancel here, children. Yes, these two get cancelled. Yes, 1 in the numerator part, denominator part is 3. Yes, answer is 1 by 3. Let us see, my dear children, example 2. Example 2 is, take it little bit big number. Yes, example 2. Suppose, yes, 100 by 25 into 2 by 4. 100 by 25. 100 by 25 is improper. Whatever the fraction it may be, it is not a matter. When we are especially when we are multiplying the fractions, it is not considerable. It is a proper fraction. Is it a improper fraction? Is it a mixed fractions? We don't consider like that. Whatever fractions it may be, just make it multiply. Yes. 100 twos are 200. 100 twos are 200. 25 fours are 100. Yes, dear children. Now here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros cancel. Yes, 2 by 1. Our answer is 2. In another way, CDS. In another way, 100 by 25 into 2 by 4. Just make it cancel. Yes. You can ask now one question. Sir, can we make it cross? Or can we divide list, or can we cancel as only numerator denominator? As your interest, make it cancel. Yes. 2 ones are, yes, 2 ones are 2. Okay. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Further it is, yes, 2 ones are 2. Then 2 50s are. Then 25 ones are 25 twos are. Answer is how much, my dear children? 2. Here also 2. Okay, I think you did understand how we have to multiply the given fractions and fractions by whole numbers. Thank you all, dear friends. Remaining contents regarding to this fractions and decimal chapter we have to continue in my next class. Thank you all. Bye.